chúc mừng.
Thank you, cảm ơn. Cảm ơn Easter Driving School và thầy Mehmet đã giúp mình đạt pass G2 sau một lần thi. Và nếu mọi người muốn học lái xe thì hãy contact Easter Driving School.
Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Hello.
Hey, how's it going?
How's going on? Good. Thank you. We're gonna do one video here. So now my friend is coming. Exam start from here. Okay, are you ready?
Yep, I'm
For
ready.
G2. Let's go.
Oh, the sun is so hot.
G2 practice from here.
Yeah.
Hey man, you are not looking left.
Oh God.
Oh man. What's going on? You didn't sleep well?
I did.
Okay. Did
Yeah.
you put your seatbelt?
Yep,
Okay.
I did. Okay, gotta slow down here.
Yeah. How much speed here? 50?
No. 20 or down? 20
Yeah,
less.
yeah. Correct. Left.
Left. And then
You're Aaron, right?
Aaron, yep.
Yeah, Aaron. You're from Vietnam?
From Vietnam.
So what you're gonna do here, you're gonna make sure both sides is clear.
Clear. Do I lose point if I wait here for too long?
If you wait unnecessarily, that means you have to rebook again.
So that's an instant fail.
Yes. Look, hey man.
Oh, it's close.
Yeah, it's just going in front of us.
Yeah.
So here speed is 50. Turn left at the light. And you don't like blind spot?
All right. I keep forgetting.
Yeah. Keep forgetting, man.
I'll be more careful.
In Vietnam, teacher hit.
They're driving crazy in Vietnam.
No. When the school teacher, how they teach. If you are not listening.
Oh, they hit you.
Really?
Not anymore, but used to. Used to be,
right?
yeah.
Okay. Good. Before the white line, stop.
Okay.
So you came here as a high school student, right?
High school student.
Wow. You are here around how many years now?
I would say 5 years.
5 years.
5 years.
You are 20s?
21.
21 is a very good age, man.
Legal in both US and Canada.
21, and he's here, Aaron. He's from Vietnam. His profile and his face. I'm gonna put his Instagram on the link. Hey, Vietnamese, you can contact him. You're open, right?
Yeah, I'm open. Sure, why not?
That's right. So what do you study?
I'm doing business. Yeah.
Undergrad?
Undergrad.
Yeah.
Third year student right now.
This is your second year? Third year?
My third year.
Third year. That's great. Yeah. Is it hard?
It's, I wouldn't say it's too hard, but definitely you need to study, right?
You study, right?
Yeah.
No cheating?
No cheating.
No cheating. No ChatGPT?
Just ChatGPT.
Yeah.
ChatGPT is lifesaver.
He's a big cheater. Modern cheater.
Yeah.
Okay. 50 here.
50.
Yeah.
It's okay to go down, to go up to like 53, 52.
Yeah,
That's fine.
2, 3, it's okay. Maybe 4 is okay, but 5 you will get warning.
Okay. No down, no like less than 50, right?
Okay. Yeah, you can be less than 50 as well. So maximum is 50.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay.
turn left at the light. But 10% up and down is okay.
Okay.
As a new policy, check both sides, check blind spot. You have to wait for them to reach the other side.
All the way?
All
Okay.
Even the next.
Okay, got it.
I mean, for the curb, change lane to right. Otherwise, it's a fail reason.
Okay.
And you cannot turn the wheel a little bit also.
Okay, so straight and then wait for them to
Yes.
go all the way.
Turn right. If you check blind spot here, it's better. If you don't check, it's okay for G2. But it's better to check.
Okay.
How much speed here?
40.
Yeah. But your speed reached 44.
44.
I'm warning you. I'm warning you.
So 43 and less, right?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, 44 again.
Turn left.
Do we have right way?
You have a right of way.
Okay.
Because you are turning left, he has a stop sign.
Okay.
This is one of the exam routes.
Mm-hmm. For this road, usually we do 30, 40?
40 is fine here, yes.
Okay.
Pull over. So you block someone's driveway. You cannot block.
There you go.
Yeah.
Should be fine, right?
Yeah, it's fine, yeah. So let's do 3-point turn.
3-point turn. Blind spot.
But you forgot left signal.
All right.
So pull over. Okay. Yes. Signal. So downhill parking.
Downhill parking. All the way to the left, right. Parking, handbrake.
Yeah. Do you need coffee?
I might.
Do you need? Oh, I have a candy here. I know. I got it in somewhere. Pulse.
Oh, that's like fruit, like guava.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah.
Oh wow. Thank you.
You know what? Because you gave me one snack, right?
Yeah.
So I'm giving you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I will.
Later.
Right now? Later? Okay, I'll eat later.
Okay.
I'll put it back.
Yeah, but don't forget, okay?
Yeah, for sure.
So this is downhill parking.
Yep.
Downhill with curb. Downhill without curb. Uphill no curb is right.
Okay.
Uphill with curb.
Left.
Yes. Let's do it. Perfect. Then
Park and then handbrake.
Okay. Let's go. That's great observation.
Thank you.
Parallel park for this car. This car is big, eh?
Yeah.
Half of the car.
Half the car.
Yeah.
Like this should be
Yes,
fine.
yes, it's fine, yeah. This is the government car, Ontario.
One right and then
Yep, one right.
one right.
Go back. Go back.
Good.
Perfect. And
Park and handbrake.
let's go. Did you check your blind spot?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. Turn right.
One, two, three.
Good turning.
Thank you. Oh, it's so sunny today.
Yeah. At the traffic light, turn left.
To the left.
Good. Stopping. And distance is good. Yeah, good. Yes, that's also good. At the traffic light, turn right.
Turn right.
Good. You stop, you check, you spend some time, clear.
Mm-hmm.
That's great.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
It's really hard to see because the sun.
Yes. It's sunny, hot.
Hot.
Our speed is good.
Oh, this is a long red light.
Yeah. Kind of, yeah. light, turn right.
Okay.
Yeah, good job. Check the blind spot here as well before turning. Turn right to the drive test center.
This one, right?
Yeah, near this car.
Okay.
Go straight. Turn left. Left again. Full left. Park and
Handbrake.
Okay. This is the one exam road. This is for G2. In all Ontario, it's same. G2 exam. 3-point turn, parallel parking, uphill or downhill parking. Then front parking. So reverse parking, very rare. In some places they might ask you reverse parking. And now we are in Windsor, Ontario. In Windsor, Ontario, mostly they don't ask reverse parking as well.
I see.
And don't forget for blind spot when you're entering turning lane. What I'm gonna advise you, you're driving good, everything is good. Hopefully you will clear your test.
Hopefully,
Yeah.
I'm not getting too nervous and
The
mess up.
Yes, exam time, yes. Problem is to control your nervousness. Yeah, that's fine. You passed. You failed. It's not end of the world. You can redo again. You're gonna spend a little money for us again.
Yeah.
Not so much. And then, but you are ready. Just
Hopefully.
All the best. I wish you clear your test. I wish who subscribe my channel and like and share, they passed.
Yep.
Who not subscribe?
So go subscribe and like
Please.
for Mehmet and for E-Star Driving.
Thank you so much, Aaron. And also, what's your Facebook page? I mean, YouTube channel. Do you have a YouTube channel?
I don't.
Yeah. Okay. You have Instagram?
Instagram?
Yeah. Snapchat.
Yes. Yeah,
Facebook.
I do.
Yeah. But Vietnamese mostly they use Facebook.
Mostly Facebook,
Yeah,
yeah.
they use
Facebook and Instagram, that's it mostly.
It's a little bit less.
Yeah, less than Facebook for sure.
See you guys. Take care.
Take care.
And a good day.